So you have stumbled upon my social media jumpstart course, and I'm excited that you're here. Did you know that as of January 2022, it has been discovered that 3.96 billion people use social media? 3.96 billion. So why aren't you leveraging the power of social media? Okay, I get it. You don't really understand it. You don't really have the time to do it, but you know that it could really transform your business. Well, I'm glad you stumbled upon my course because my Social Media Jumpstart course is designed to help everyone from beginners to intermediate social media users leverage the power of social media by building effective social media content creation systems that will allow you to run your business smoothly without sparing too much of your valuable time. 95 minutes is the number of minutes people spend on their social media accounts daily. That's 95 minutes to get your business in front of new customers. Are you ready to start this social media journey?